Welcome back to Aside Hot. Now, the chairman television station was Obia TV on Top Star Times channel 195, and we dey discuss all the important topic where they come and smoke inside Obodo, Nigeria. And we get Oga Kenneth when they call us from Lagos. Oga Kenneth, welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, Kenneth.
Oga Kenneth, you did there? Oga Kenneth, we know say you don't wait for some time. I beg you go call us back so that you self go make your own contribution for inside this discussion. The sad thing about say Port Harcourt Airport that the worst for the whole world now say when they can even give the top 10 worst airports for 2015 inside Africa, 3 of Nigeria airports where all of us they talk say oh na big airports enter inside that list. Number 10 na the Lagos Muritala Mohammed International Airport, worst for inside Obodo, Africa. Even the Abuja Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport also enter inside that list for number 7. And number 1 still na the Port Harcourt International Airport. If 3 of our airports went there for 3 major cities, when we say everybody look, Federal Capital Territory, Lagos and Rivers State.
Exactly.
And these 3 there for the worst airport for the whole of Africa. What will they do inside this our country? This one don't show say now the reason why we must take this ministerial screening very, very serious. Because if the minister go preside over all these various ministries, we must begin to see something. Every year we know if they vote money, say, oh, make una take this money, make una take this money, and we go to see things when we say, I saw, he go to make people they cry. The airport when they our Federal Capital Territory for inside Abuja, follow for top 10 worst for inside Obodo, Africa.
Chukudi, may we also can look at from this angle. This same sleeping in airport agency where we say we carry out this investigation also outlined the criteria where they take doing, where they take assess airports where good and airports where they bad. They mention services. Okay, when it comes to the issue of services, we know say services get to do with how you take relate with people. As in services, how you take general. When I mean services, services on a collective ground. How I take run an airport? Should not they run them cordially the way not supposed to run them? Say people go do it in, go come in, book their ticket, can also do it in fix based on the flight when I fix and make them also at least meet up with that flight at that same appropriate time when I fix them. Also make also see issues where we say at least people know go come they see say yes then buy ticket eventually they come say then cancel that particular flight because I say maybe plane spoil or not. You understand? This is one major issue where we say it make they also need to address. And they can also mention facilities because if we they look at least. Okay, we'll get them. Afonso. Afonso, they call us from Zaria. Good morning, Afonso.
Good morning, Kube and Chukudi.
Okay, Afonso, we greet you.
How are they?
We did fine.
Honestly, I enjoyed this program since when I started and since last year.
Thank you.
I just the catch I enjoy the program. I know they ever miss them at all.
Thank you, sir.
More great to my own elbow.
Thank you.
What I want to talk about this kind of screening kind of a thing. Say they're going to drop this person, let me tell you now, they're not going to drop anybody. Now just the late tactics and just they do. They just they lock our head together. They don't know what they're supposed to do. So they just they lock our head together. They bring this one, they bring that and all this. Right from when they started screening, even that of our nature, they just they delay them just to lock our head together. More just they cause problem. Then they do their things there. We not know what thing they happen. So all those things now just the late tactics. They just want to divide us. If you look at most of us, they quarrel within ourselves because we this one is supporting this one is supporting that. Now the thing where they want cause for us with that so that we get confused, then when they do their things, we not go no. And for the airport, honestly, it is very, very wrong. Nigeria has gone of age that they go to say we not get airport where people know what about. And look at the way they fly. And look at the way Nigerians they fly, go from one country to another. Then they will come to say we will not get good airport. That will not be a better thing.
Okay, Afonso. In fact, thank you. Thank you very, very much. And we'll also thank you at least for calling. I believe you'll be first time caller. At least they continue to watch the program, talk to the watcher, and then tell your people over there, make them do it, and they also watch us in the hot. We get Oga Alex all the way from ABJ. Good morning, Oga Alex.
I hear you now.
We hear you too, Oga Alex.
I bet make a first thank with TV World Entertainment for giving us this National Assembly of Public Opinion. Like they talk say who get here making the here.
Yeah, so.
Some of the things where they talk here, some go bad, some go good, but here whether they tell they hear what they do inside. Amechi case. Amechi is in Nigeria. Amechi is not from Niger Republic. He not come from Cameroon. He not come from Liberia. If you look at it like that, He's supposed to be a minister. Nothing is wrong in it. Okay. And then make I talk one thing again. Any sense where you see so get past. And Messi is not the worst Nigerian. So when it comes to issue of screening, at least make those senators from River State, make the environment enabling for it so that make it stay true. Because he is going to minister over the whole country. So nothing is wrong with Messi really. Make you look at it. Why parties they target oil producing state for instance, make them win the like the forthcoming Bayelsa election. Now revenue based. Sometimes to fund parties when political campaigns occur. At least you go see beneath the background say Rotimi and Messi don't play kind of role to ensure that APC is financially empowered to win the election. Then who goes say make them not screen out for minister? He is due. So whether Senate manipulate or not, or whether they talk they say, and they try to project and see that man already as a senator, a minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Nothing go remove from her. And then make I come back to the issue of airport. I remember one firebrand preacher, Reverend Odukoya, when he died for Port Harcourt at that time. Thankfully too, some students of Loyola JSU College, Gidamagro here in Abuja, they lost their life there too. So you go now see some of the reasons why that plane crash. Maybe the control tower not get access when the train run into rough weather. So it is a very, very shameful thing. In fact, it shapes person's body. Although I think people where they fly. Me, I'm not the fly, I the pity people. So whether they talk, they say like one of you suggest, opportunity don't come again. Not the minister that they scream.
Yes.
May they put the right
person.
People in the right position now.
Yes.
But I got airport, he don't stay when he did there. So not the airport where he's supposed to get deficient of infrastructure and navigational facilities. So
Alex,
now my take be that this morning.
Thank you very, very much. As you enter into each of the issue, also give your own opinion on them. Thank you very, very much, and continue to watch the program. Chukwudi, if we listen to it in Oga Alex, okay, we get Oga Igo. Oga Igo, good morning.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
The controversial.
Good morning.
For national TV, you talk to Ukubi, tell Chukwudi the lie. I will know the president always the lie.
Thank you.
From your own mind, now me the lie.
Down to the issue of today.
Okay.
Ukubi and Chukwudi, our airport, are the worst airport quite ever see. For the world. You know the reason why I tell you?
Why?
The system of our airport is bad. Do you believe if you are traveling for the first time, if you are leaving this country for the first time, they go another country, if they carry your passport, they look your visa. If you are traveling for the first time, they'll tell you, say, this passport has not been disvirgin. You go pay for disvirgin, to disvirgin that passport. You go pay.
Now that will be custom.
If you don't pay, they go leave you there. Your flight go, and your money go. You dey get me? If you go to other country, as soon as you enter inside the airport, the internet starts working. It's Santa. But our airport, nothing. If you come to Abuja airport here, if you wait for person, you want to pick somebody, at least you go Lagos, you go see say they write say arrival for so. For Abuja airport here, nothing, no AC. At times they go take light not they work. Speakers, what they announce, no they work. Before you go miss your flight, and we there for Nigeria, you go see for our airport here, they want to announce say flight don't postpone. They will speak like that French they did. I will not be French. We'll be Nigerian speaking country. You go speak English, everybody go here. So what you go here? And no. You don't go here so you don't miss your flight. So our system here, we did back. I tell you, we did back for Nigeria for airport. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Oga Igo. This one where you don't talk now. Don't re-emphasize the fact when we talk earlier, say, not be just by pumping money into the airport. Say, get so many other things what we go do. Because if you check the parameters when they highlight for there, it don't get to do with whether the airport, you paint them well, or you plant plenty flowers. You get some basic things we're supposed to.
If you know they talk about the airport, now that one has to do with customer service.
Maybe we take Oga Prince from Owerri. Oga Prince, good morning and welcome to our City Hot.
Oga Prince, good morning.
Chukwu, good morning. Nkubi, good morning. Nkubi,
Good morning.
the voice of the people. How you doing? I want began to say, weakness is not gentility. Are you understand me?
We dey hear.
Person where they weak, you know, be say that person they gentle. Person feel they weak, they wakal, you know, you feel interpret them another way, say this person they gentle. You know, say that person they weak. Huh? And when you meet a green snake in a green grass, now that's way you gonna say, if we turn around. That's what we are discussing this morning. Our airport. Despite all the glamour when we don't hear some few months ago, our airport don't become the best in the whole world. All of them the best in the world. Look at it now. Are you getting me? So when we the talk say our former president, you know, do well, not be say we they criticize the man. We the talk waiting happen. Not be him start corruption, but him promote corruption like say now corruption was born with him. That's why they tag him the highest corrupt president Nigeria ever had. You know, not him start him, but him they promote him like say now him be. And look at the Port Harcourt to Owerri Road. It's a danger zone. It can't pass Port Harcourt to Owerri Road. You understand me? But this is road that Yar'Adua started, but he refused to finish it. When I make it now finish from Port Harcourt to Imo State boundary and demand for the money, they refuse to pay him back. And that they said from Imo State, go there, it's a danger zone. Look at the Avenue when he upgrade them to university, you know, go repair the law. So that that will not stand the same as a university. But now you don't revert them back. Look at that immigration job. You still, people where you say make them employ, you know, give them letter to back that employment. Do you understand me? So when I talk, say people, they deceive people. Apart they deceive Pekin, be like say if somebody they talk lies. So PDP was formed under deceive to deceive the people. Are you getting me? You tell us our airport is good, but at the end of the day, we see nothing. You know, it is the worst in the whole world. There's billions of naira, billions of dollars.
Oga Prince, thank you very much for that contribution. But then again, it's important say make we emphasize. Say when we they talk about things when they bring shame to Nigeria, no be about political party or no be about say this person or that person. Everybody they talk say Port Harcourt International Airport for inside Obodo, Nigeria. Time don't reach for us to demand more from our government so that they go do well. From Owerri, we go enter Yola. Collect this call from Oga Mohammed. Oga Mohammed, good morning, sir.
Hey, Mohammed, Oga Chukwu Nkubi.
Good morning, Mohammed.
As it is born on now.
It is hot, it is hot.
It is hot. Today, since yesterday, I dey wait. Maybe they made day break, make 10 o'clock reach, make I talk my mind today. As yesterday now, as I see the screening yesterday, at least, then try for what they do.
Okay.
See that man, what they call her, Adebayo Shitu.
Shitu, yeah, Adebayo.
See the way they ask him. If he come to this thing, aviation guy, you will know say that man, you go feel deliver. If you come to what do they call her, youth and this thing, this man, he go deliver. Anywhere where you carry this man go, if not justice, na still, you know say that one, he go do it. If na finance, I know say that man go feed do it. Then
well.
why they will come before they will come, they say no, now wait. See, this Abba Ibrahim from Yobe, they tell us me ask question, he say, in the use laugh matters
they answer the question.
That one, concern us. God pass them.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mohammed. Okay. You still want to talk? Mohammed, okay.
Okay, Mohammed.
We get your this thing. About that last comment where you talk, where you say about Shitu and reacting to questions and the way you take answer the question. Also, you can mention another person will say the way you take answer the question. That's still on the issue of say at least make them they interrogate and question these people who want to take up this ministerial position. Because one of the reasons why this thing is very appropriate. This person, Oga Alex, said something. He said they don't screen ministers now. And at the right time to do it, screen the right person who will fill in different positions. This aviation ministry, find the appropriate person so you know about them, who will fill them, doing your own job well. Maybe we collect this call from Michael. Michael, they call us from Yaba. Good morning, Michael.
Yeah, good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning.
Are they here now?
Would they
Yeah,
greet you,
you too.
Michael?
You don't take. I say, Maka call contribute for this matter today.
Okay.
This matter when I talk to for me, I will sum up everything where they happen for this country where they go around under one particular umbrella. You know, say human being a political animal by nature. But our leaders and our politicians are supposed to realize that whatever politics they go play, make it be politics of public interest, not
yes.
personal interest. Because what thing they cause all these problems will be saying Nigeria they pass through now public or personal interest. And if they don't change that mindset, that orientation, I hardly see whether we will even get closer to the doorstep of that promised land, except then change that ideology. Because if Nigerians supposed to that they have this passion, this love for this particular country, anybody will say have passion for it, you know go enter, you know go occupy a particular office, go and misbehave for that place. But because you don't have passion for the country, that is why you see they do anyhow. I believe if Nigerians can be able to like kind of mimic this motto we say America get, we say they say every American citizen must get a dream, American dream. If Nigeria also get our own dream, what will be our own dream, our own calling? We say we will contribute, make this country better and we will change our mindset. Now, what thing I get to contribute for this now?
Oga Michael, thank you very much for your important contribution. In fact, you don't talk and say now patriotism and the zeal to move our country forward. Now go ginger us to indeed we get to the promised land. Quickly, we go rush, enter break. When we go this break, come back, we enter the last bus stop of As It Dey Hot for today, and from there, until the end. Don't go anywhere now. Wazobia TV, and still As It Dey Hot. Welcome to As It Dey Hot. We don't reach the final part of our program for today, and what we see the discuss now the one where we say sleeping in airports don't come out talk say Nigeria airports, the international airports when they inside Port Harcourt say now they carry last, now be the worst for the whole airports when they inside Obodo the world for inside 2015. We don't even go down to the worst airports according to them when they inside Obodo Africa, and 3 of Nigeria airports, notably the one with the Lagos, the one with the Abuja, and also the Port Harcourt International Airport, 3 of them, they inside the worst airports when they inside Obodo, Africa. If we get 53 countries for inside Africa, and out of the 10 worst airports when they inside Africa,
Our best 2.
the 2 airports where we say would they beat our chest say yes,
so
these airports
airports
make sense. 3 come fall inside the 10 worst for inside Obodo, Africa, according to sleeping in airports, based on their parameters, services and facilities available within the terminal, cleanliness, customer service, comfort, overall airport experience. So this one shows say it's either say if we dey talk of dirty airports, our own no dey clean. If we dey talk of comfort, e no even dey. Now wetin he go just tell us say for airport somebody he say dem go take light.
Then you go need to disvirgin your passport.
Make we take Efosa. Efosa dey call us from Lagos. Oga Efosa, good morning.
Yeah, Okubi, good morning.
Good morning, Efosa. We dey hear you right on.
Yeah, Shokode, good morning.
I greet you, Oga Efosa.
Yeah. Based on this ministerial nomination,
Okay.
the matter, this what do they call them?
Senators.
Senators, they not let us understand what thing they happen at all. Because if you watch the ministerial nominations, the thing is like say get some people that they give special reference, and some people will say does it come back and go. And based on the information what we get today now, say they're not going to sit because of the case where the president get there. You know? So any which way would they watch them? You don't understand? Would they watch them? And let me come back to the airport level. You know? I don't know the people who judge this matter based on the airport level. But I know say I don't travel well. And most of the airports where I did go, like Indians, that way they talk so, they be head of corruption. If you go inside the airport, before you fly, you go see some things where
not supposed to, where women be not supposed to see as corruption they take place inside the airport. And if we want to talk about dirty, if you enter most of the gents and the ladies, you go know say that they're dirty for you and touch ground. So when they talk, because infrastructures, we know how Nigeria be for infrastructure. But for corruptions and the other parts that you judge are not to agree with some part of them with that. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Efosa.
Oga Efosa, Oga Efosa come from another angle. We talk about corruption. And that one say follow for things when we say they go check, because if you check customers overall airport experience, customer service and services available for the terminal.
Sorry, maybe we quickly collect this call from Kenneth, because he don't be called before, but we no collect them. Good morning, Kenneth.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Kenneth.
Yeah, I agree to you now.
They greet you too.
Yeah. About the topic where they talk this morning.
Okay.
It go good make you they bring them up with facts.
Okay.
I remember on September 2013 when Amechi talk say the airport was abandoned because of the problem where you get with Goodluck. And I'm with the statement now where Udu Ahmed say the airport they not abandon them. Everything are fact. And for that airport remodeling, they are still owing people with the contractors who do that remodeling 174 billion naira. This is what the Senate found out from their investigation. Imagine 174 billion naira, not million, 174 billion naira. I say that airport still be like that. That's just this for you to know. Say what is this Amechi don't pass through, all because say he they oppose Goodluck. Then I can't ask myself this question. Imagine saying a PDP win the president here and I say a Goodluck win that election where they conduct. What is going to be the fate of this Amechi? Upon say APC win, say they say they attack this man like say now him be the only person who don't thief money or where don't kill somebody for the year for this life. I beg, when I want to talk, when it comes to development, make it promote politics. Because if we get them right for that development, you got affect every other thing. If so not be for that problem, will Amechi get with Goodluck? Therefore remodel that airport. And the thing for better for everybody, and everybody for they use that airport. But because of that problem, they abandon it because of the issue Amechi had with them. Everything they here with
Kenneth. In fact,
so that's the issue we want to talk about. About the ministerial screening, okay. I cannot confirm say Bukola Saraki they do the handwrite of PDP people. Because I'm meeting them there for the first list where they bring since 30th of September. And they don't postpone that. And Senate President thought say he be APC. Why are they still postponing it? If they don't want to clear this man, may they invite him. Why you ask him, okay, we don't want to clear you. At least make the matter rest. If they want to clear him, may they clear him, make the matter rest. Because if they don't do it now until it reach 29th of October, according to our constitution, the constitution say any name where president bring for ministerial nominee and the Senate no right back or confirm him, say that person don't already confirm. Say president will give him any portfolio, may take go work. Say I don't know now. Time they go. And very soon now everything go end.
Thank you for this your important contribution. But then again, it go dey important. Say make we emphasize. Say the one where you talk say Oga Saraki they do the work of PDP people. All of the members of the House of Senate, when it come to, even though their interest and the interest of their political party go dey their mind if they do anything, but we won't believe say go dey fair if we blame one particular political party. Because if you check, if we look about majority, now APC as a political party, now it gets majority, and the Senate president belong to APC. So saying they do the interest of PDP, that one somehow, no be something when we say we go promote or we go encourage. And talking about our airports there, it is very, very important. Say, make we forget, say, these people talk, say this thing, these people talk, say that thing. Even though they talk, say, some other airports for this world, they're worse, they're bad. make we check the parameters wey dem don set. If we talk about services and facilities available, wetin dey our airports? Cleanliness, our airports dey clean. Customer service, shey the customer service wey we get for our airport, the thing dey make sense. For comfort, e dey okay. General airport experience. So e dey important make we look these 5 things. Come check our airports to see say by 2016, if sleeping in airports come out with their result, we no go dey that list. Because no be bad thing if we, like the airport wey dey Singapore, appear as the best airport for inside the whole obodo the world. So e dey very very important make we dey do all these things small. We dey always dey talk about all of us say Nigeria na our country, e no go spoil. Even though sometimes we go disagree, e dey very very important at the end make we talk say okay, you don talk your own, I don talk my own, make we join am together to move this our country forward. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic wey dey comot smoke. Make una no go anywhere. Make una continue to dey watch Wazobia TV and continue to dey support as e dey hot.
Una bye bye.
Why they bend down? They tell them bye bye. Why they bend down? Are you a UBS man? Tell them bye bye.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.